you need to work on your vehicle and you're looking for a rolling seat, I've tried both the MVP and the BullsArmor. I'm gonna tell you which one's the most comfortable and the pros and cons of those seats. Both of those seats have 5 wheels. They're both 2-inch wheels. They both have metal base, metal shaft with the plunger. The MVP have a 12-inch seat. The BullsArmor is also 12-inch. Now the height of them, they're both at the minimum level right now. As you can see, the MVP is starting lower, 1 foot 2.5 inches, while the BullsArmor is at 1 foot 5 inch and 5/8. Now if we bring them both up, you can see there's still a big difference in height. The tape measure have a magnet at the bottom, that's why it was stuck. So we're at 1 foot 7 inch and 5/16, while the BullsArmor is at 1 foot 11 inch and a half. Now the wheels on the MVP, they come nice and big like this and nice and wide. And as you can see, this wheel here is not as big and not as wide. And it's because you have some kind of cover that goes over top of those wheels and it falls apart, especially because I work like on my driveway with those seats, and at work the concrete floor inside the building have little dents in there and little chips of concrete missing, and it just breaks those wheels super fast. I only have this seat at work for about 1 year, just above 1 year. It's my second or third seat like this, and I buy it because it's very affordable, but yeah, those wheels, they don't last. My other seat that I replaced before was actually I had to re-weld the base a couple times because the weld keep cracking at the bottom. They're not pretty good, they suck. And I'm gonna show you that in 1 second. There's something big that you need to know about it. This one here, the BullsArmor, I just started to deal with this company not too long ago. They just give me a discount to buy their stuff and talk about it online and stuff. But so far I haven't had time to review those wheel that long, so I didn't get those seats too long ago. So because of that, I can't tell you if the wheels are gonna last or not, but so far they're good. Now here's the big thing about those two seats. The MVP hurts my back and my butt like crazy. The foam in the MVP suck like big time. That thing, I barely have any support, so you're pretty much just sitting on the metal plate that's underneath, and that pretty much is just for show. And I'm gonna show you that right now. So I got a 10-pound plate right here. I'm gonna put it on the seat just like this, and now you'll see. I can't put more pressure on there. See, it's not going any more in. It's already bottomed out. While the BullsArmor, see, it was bouncy, and there's still a little bit more play into it. So this one is actually way more comfortable. The foam is more dense. It works better. Now, here's the downside of this one compared to this one. The MVP, the fabric that they use on top of the seat, the vinyl, is very thick. If you pinch it, you can really feel how thick it is. I can't really show you that, but I can tell you that I can feel the quality out of it. While those ones here, they cheaped out on the fabric on top. See this? I barely used it, and it's already ripped right here. It takes nothing to rip those ones. At the end of the day, is the MVP more worth it than the BullsArmor? Well, they both have their plus, both have their minus, but the thing is, your back and your body is the most important part. As I'm concerned, the MVP is gonna hit the garbage, and I'm gonna keep those ones here, even if I have to change them or recover them once in a while. the BullsArmor is gonna make my life way more comfortable. On the video description, I got the BullsArmor affiliate link and discount code for you guys to save some money. Now, if you ask me, I think that those are overpriced if you don't buy them when they're on sale, but go and check them out. Hopefully you can catch a sale, use the discount code, and it's going to be worth it for you. Now, if you like this video, you find it useful, give me a like, subscribe, and then comment. I'd be interested to know which brand of rolling seat do you use at work or at home. All right, we'll see you in the next video.